Hey there, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to make French toast. Now I realize most of you know how to make French toast, but I'm hoping that I can take it to the next level for you. So let's get started. Alright, for ingredients you're going to need eggs, some stale bread. It really works best with stale bread. I've had this bread in the freezer, so I'm sure it's good and not so fluffy. Some breakfast sausage, or you could use bacon, whatever kind of meat you like for breakfast, that's what you use. But Randy really likes this breakfast sausage, so that's what we're having. I need some salt, some cinnamon, some sugar, some vanilla extract, and some milk. And then for serving, we need butter, maple syrup, and powdered sugar. So let's get to it. Alright everybody, y'all know the drill. My pan's got to be hot, but I just want a low flame for this today because that breakfast sausage needs to cook low and slow. So, low and slow. Let's get it hot and then we'll get that sausage in there. Alright, let's get this sausage in that warm pan. Hear it? That nice little sizzle. Right. Alright, let's get started with these eggs. I'm going to use about 6. And 6. Now I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Go. I'm going to put about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm not sure how much cinnamon. I just kind of coat the top like that. And then if I need more, I can always add it. I need about 1 teaspoon. Randy is making faces at me. I need about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And this is my homemade vanilla. So it's really good because I use like this really spicy rum. It's very good vanilla. And we're going to get us some milk. Or you could use 1/2 and 1/2, or you could use evaporated milk. Then I'm going to put probably about 1/4 of a cup of milk. And we're going to get that whipped up. And we're going to beat it like Michael Jackson said. Just beat it. Oh, you smell that vanilla. Okay. I had to stop whipping my eggs to flip my sausage. They're nice and brown. And sometimes they just don't want to cooperate. They didn't have very much fat in them at all. Maybe I should add a little oil to that pan. But they do not. Alright, that's good enough. And let's let them brown some more. Okay, and we want to keep right on whipping this because I want it pretty fluffy. Oh, the smell of that vanilla is just too much. Y'all really should check out my video on how to make vanilla extract. I know it takes a long time, but it is so, so worth it. I don't know, I say probably whip them, probably 3 to 5 minutes, somewhere in there. Just so that it, when you lift it, nothing stays together. I'm gonna call that good. All right, I'm gonna use a skillet, my electric skillet, and I'm gonna have it set on 300 degrees. The reason I do that is just for some reason they're more uniform. They turn out prettier. I can do it in the pan and they don't stick or anything, but it just seems like toward the outside of the bread won't be quite as done as the middle. You get the idea. A skillet is the best way to do this. So I'm going, and I put some spray. I just sprayed a little handy dandy. I don't really love it, but I use it for this. And let's get these in. All right, we're gonna get started. And don't forget about your sausage now. I know it's over there low and slow, but don't forget them. Keep turning them. All right. And if you don't like using your fingers, I guess you could use tongs, but I never have. My granny never did, so I don't use them. I just drop that. All right, and we're gonna get them really good and coated. And then we're gonna drop them in that pan. Hear that little light sizzle? That's what you're looking for. All right, and now, as soon as I got that last one in, that first one is ready to flip. And look at that pretty, pretty brown color. That last one, there we go. All right, we can get these plated up now. And now while they're still hot, you'll want to rub some fresh butter. Real butter, not margarine. Drop some real butter on there while they're still hot so it melts down in. And then you will want to shake a little powdered sugar over the top of that. I don't want to make a mess, but we're just going to drop that powdered sugar right over the top. There we go. All right, that is next level French toast. I really hope you guys enjoy it. And come back and see me. Bye.